Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow contacts access on Telegram using the latest settings update. If your Telegram isn't syncing contacts or you're having trouble finding people you know, this simple fix will get everything working smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is the main control center for your device where you can manage permissions and app behavior. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as apps and notifications, or simply applications. Now, look for Telegram in the list of installed apps. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Once you see Telegram, tap on it to open its app settings. Inside the Telegram app settings, find and tap on permissions. This section controls what Telegram is allowed to access on your device, such as storage, camera, microphone, and of course, your contacts. Next, tap on Contacts. This is the key step. If Contacts access is currently disabled, Telegram won't be able to sync or display people from your phone book. Now, simply select Allow. As soon as you enable this option, Telegram will gain access to your contacts, and it should automatically start syncing them. That's it. You've successfully allowed contacts access on Telegram. If your contacts still don't appear right away, try reopening the app or refreshing your contact list inside Telegram. This usually resolves any delay. Keeping your permissions correctly set ensures you get the best experience, especially when it comes to messaging and connecting with people you already know. If this helped you out, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this to stay updated with the latest app features and settings.